Welcome to Jim's Spare Parts. We're heading to W3UU Oktoberfest.
Turn left, then turn left on Grayson Road.
Uh-oh, there's trouble.
Yeah.
You come over with Josh?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought you were coming over with Josh.
I need to find some Den 6s.
Oh, shoot, you should have said something. I could have brought some along.
Yeah.
Bob needs to get a in.
Something we have to do today before we get to Dad's is figure out what to do with his pictures. Thumb drive or a CD or something.
I see a lot used, but you don't know really what you're buying. You can go.
We're following you all over the place.
Good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Over here.
Yeah.
Check you on the spot. Okay, do you know what model that
Excuse
is?
me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. 77. Yep. 73.
Model
73.
We put the switch for the
Are you on the phone with
like you can't get it because you've got something else set up.
Right.
Okay, all right. Well, you know.
What are you asking on the rotors?
We're trying to find out right now. You need a new. We got a rotor. We got two controllers. He's on the phone with the guy. Menu number.
Oh, okay.
Hang on.
Can I quote this? It says, $85 for it.
$50 for that. Only run 90 new.
50.
That works.
Controller.
Somebody said they needed it. Who was that?
He's interested in a controller.
I'll give you $5 for it.
That's good.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah, that works. Thank you.
Yep.
Hold the lightning, Jim.
That's gonna be real.
Yeah. Because I know you.
Well, I keep telling Jim.
I was going through my system. I have a somebody needs one of those.
I have a rotor. It'll probably work.
That's
Nobody
my
No, came with the tower. The rotor he has at home came off of my antenna, TV antenna tower.
It's missing
came
a
off
bunch
of
of
yours.
teeth
Yeah,
on the
and
inside.
the antenna tower that I just picked up yesterday has one on it too that I don't need. I have a rotor at home to put on the new tower. So he's going to get the old one.
So that was the rotator you were talking to me about, right? You didn't have a.
Right, my controller completely crumbled on the inside.
You know why? Somebody left it on top of an old 25-inch color television set.
Probably.
And it melted it.
Well, it was always used for him, but after 50 years.
I should have more in there somewhere.
Open to all offers. Doesn't mean we say yes, so we really do offer.
I can actually see over here now.
These little guys are priceless.
Yeah.
They measure the, oh, you know about them?
Yeah, I was just checking it out there.
You'd be surprised the difference in voltage on them.
Oh, yeah. Especially when you is the actual.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a
big difference in voltage charges.
Yeah.
This is the smaller and this is the larger.
It's a random sprint connector. Hey, $5.
UG 160, 176.
Were they for?
They're PL259s, but they're used. You gotta clean them up, which that's not a bad thing either. Just you gotta watch it getting the cores too hot.
$5 for
Teflon doesn't like taking the heat too much.
$5 for the whole bag.
So what do you guys got? What'd you get now?
Bob, you want to hold my stick?
Yeah, what'd you get now?
It's a mighty big stick. 75 meter.
Josh got 30 meter and 17.
Yep.
What'd you get?
Josh.
What?
What size? I need an end connector for LMR 400. The one that came to factory on the cable broke off. So I got to return it. They don't usually come off.
Yeah.
I know that some of you were waiting to have cards checked. The guy that checks the cards is around the front of the building. Just come over where the coffee is and head, I guess that's west. He's set up over there checking cards.
Checking what cards? Oh.
There's a one-legged dog. Yeah, I mean, sorry, the three-legged. Somebody what?
Somebody was looking for the double male.
Oh.
I said we didn't have any.
Okay, you're right. That's I remember his thing. The double males are back home.
Oh.
And they go on eBay.
That guy's useless as kids on board.
This guy behind me is here.
That'd be a nice piece.
Need a hitching post for him. From back in the Oh yeah, I bet. That's brand new there. Somebody just tore the box on it. You put it in the window, it keeps the car cool down, and it's solar powered. They do work good. I used to have one for my car. And it's all there. It's even got a bonus, and it's got like a thing you put in a cup holder and you put your phone in.
That's
Yeah, that comes in handy more than the thing, yeah.
Anybody who knew him was born. Then he'll start asking me.
Okay, well, thanks for joining me with the hamfest. Sounds like there's some issues the hamfest committee was having with the indoor space. One of the bigger vendors didn't even set up, and the other large vendor wasn't even able to fully set up. Considering the prices of his equipment and the quality and stuff, he couldn't exactly just leave it to the outside. So not sure what happened there. I will say it was a disappointment, but I did walk away with 80 meter ham stick and a rotor control box, so it wasn't a complete loss, but also wasn't a great win. But anyways, I'll show more video here later on how to get those ham sticks tuned out, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned for more Jim Spare Parts. Thank you. Have a good day.